Hello guys, so this is my next video lecture on Java this keyword. In this, first of all, we will see how this keyword is used to call another member function within the other member function or within the same class. Okay, so say for we have an example. Say we have a class family. Okay, so in one I want to display only the parent only the word parent. In one method I want to just display only the word called parent. Okay, and in the other function I want to display only the only the word that is child. Further, I want to call the the parent method from the child method. So, so what I have done is that instead of writing the method as void parent, I am writing it as void p, and instead of writing it as void child, I am writing as void c. So within the child method, what I am doing is I am displaying the word child, and further I am calling the function p, that is void p. How it will be called? It will be called as this dot p bracket start bracket close semicolon. Yeah. Okay. So now, if you want to test it, what you will see is first of all we declare an object, say family1, family1 using the new keyword. After that we invoke the function we invoke the function c, that is the method that displays that invokes the parent method, that is the p method. Okay, so that can be done by just writing family1 dot c bracket start bracket close semicolon. Okay, so what will be the output? The output will be child, and in the next line the output will be parent. So on similar lines you can also use it to invoke current class constructor or parameterized constructor from default constructor also you can call. Yeah, so next thing is how to pass an argument in the method. So this, how can we use this keyword to pass as an argument in a method? So we will be taking a small example for it. Again the same example, that of the family. So yeah, so how it will be done? First of all we will again we will be using the class family only. Okay, so class space family, what we're trying to do here is to pass as an argument in the method. This keyword we are using to pass as an argument in this method. So the very keyword this will be within the brackets of the function. Okay, yeah, so it is class family, then the method is void p of and we will be passing the parameter as of type family, that is family space f. Okay, and we will be printing out the statement and we will be printing out this statement method is invoked. Further, what we will do in the child function, that is void space c, we will be invoking the parent function, that is p of this. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? This is refers to the current instance of the object. So it refers to the current instance of the object that has been created. Okay, so how do we test it? So on similar lines, family space say family1 equals to new space family. Okay, bracket start bracket close, and then if we try to invoke the method say child method, that is C, what we can do is we will simply invoke it by writing family1 dot C bracket start bracket close semicolon. So what will be the output? The output will be simply method is invoked. Okay, yeah. Okay. So this passing of this keyword as an argument can also be done in case of constructors. Okay. Yeah. So uh, okay. So this keyword can also be used in a return statement. So in that case, what you have to do is, suppose we want to return the type, the return type we require it should be same as that of the current object, that of the object type only. Okay, in that case, you can use simply return this statement. Okay. Okay, so how it will be done? Say we use again the family class. So class family, okay, and then family space uh, return family, and let the function go like this within the class, that is family space get family bracket start, no parameters passed, and within that within the body we write return this. Okay, and finally we have another function called void message, in which we print out hello world or hello family. We try to print out hello family. Okay, so how do we test it whether it's working or not? uh, okay, in that case we can create an anonymous object, that is I had discussed with you before, that we do not give any L value for it. So what we can do is we can simply write down new space family, new space family bracket start bracket close dot uh, uh, get family bracket start bracket close dot message. Okay, are you getting this? So what is the purpose of this anonymous invocation of functions with using anonymous object? So so it will be new space family bracket start bracket close dot, that is invoking get a. So get family, if get family bracket start bracket close dot message bracket start bracket close semicolon. So uh, first of all first of all the new keyword will create an anonymous object of family type, then it will be invoking the get family function, so that will return, so that is going to return the object of type family only dot message. So this the name of the object dot message will display the message that we want to display, that is hello family. Okay, then comes the last topic. Okay, okay, just a minute. Yeah, so Okay, so let's prove that this keyword refers to the current class instance variable. How do we prove that? Let's go through another example. Say the same uh, class as that of the family, and then we have the first function, that is parent function, that is void space p bracket start bracket close, then system dot out dot print line these. Okay, so then how to invoke it? So family space family1 equals to new space family. So a family1 named object has been created, and then what we do is print out the uh, print out the pass print. We simply write system dot out dot println bracket start family1 bracket close semicolon, and further we will do the same job in another way. What we will do is we will write family1 dot parent class, that is p bracket start bracket close. So we know that both of them will be doing the same function, that is they will be printing the so that it will be printing the reference id. Okay, for both of in both the cases it will be printing the reference id. So we are printing the reference variable, and this output of both variables are same. Okay, so I think it's quite, oh my god, it's of close to 12 minutes. Okay, after this keyword we have there are many interesting topics after it. Just a minute. Yeah. Um, where was I? Yeah, I taught you this keyword. Now after this we will be learning about inheritance. Okay, so those are quite more interesting topics, and I will be elucidating lot of examples as well. Thank you.